So this is the season or the time where my Mercedes actually makes a noise. It's like a screeching noise, which is actually coming from the blower motor. So if I do this, yeah, it will go away if I do like close to maximum or over halfway. Yeah, it's quiet. Then you get a noise from the blower. Yeah, it's better that way to get rid of the noise, but I think it will appear again. So at 186,000 miles, yeah, my Mercedes is still doing pretty well. Most of the interior pieces of this is way better than my BMW, considering that it's black on black. Yeah, I prefer black on black. They don't like wear out quickly or doesn't look worn actually over time. Yeah, and I also like the display for this. It's a combination of both digital and analog. So the speedometer is analog, and it's kind of funny because you have a very large clock over there. But I like this era or this model years of Mercedes because they didn't like take away the temperature sensor, the temperature gauge. Yeah, you know, it shows there on the side as a scale, and then you have your fuel over there. The newer ones, you cannot see the temperature anymore. It's gone, and then the clock is actually way smaller. You have like two large gauge clusters. So I really like this layout. It's pretty good, and then the steering wheel also, it's way better than the newer ones. It's not kind of sticky, considering that this Mercedes is actually like parked outside. So far so good. Everything works fine on this one. You got the fancy cup holder. Yep. Then I got my rear sunshade over there, so you can control over here. That one over there. So the fix actually is to just make your blower past the halfway point, and then the noise is gone. So yeah, it's kind of funny. But probably I'm gonna do the blower motor this summer. It's quite inexpensive. Probably you could buy it for like $160 or $170 for a Hella or a Bear brand. If you buy other models, I think they're okay, but don't buy anything cheaper than Amazon. There are other brands out there that are way cheaper, like probably around $100, and they're okay if it's like not at maximum speed, like your blower is not at max speed. If it's max, usually they tend to make noise. They vibrate a lot. The quality is not that great. So you better stick with OEM brands like Hella or